Hey, I wanted to show you a quick demo of a green screen technique where I'm really taking one green screen clip and I'm making it into a two-camera shot. And I'm also adding some captions, but I'm doing something different with the captions. I'm using speech bubbles that's inside of Camtasia Studio with a little bit of animation. I think it has a great effect, and it makes these boring avatar videos into something that you maybe get more clicks, more views, and people won't be looking at them going, oh, this is the same old avatar. I want you to make your human avatar exciting. So watch this demo, and then if you want to, after the demo, if you want to see how this is done, click on the link below, and I'll show you a step-by-step of how you can do this inside of Camtasia Studio.
Bubbles is really excited to speak with the boy, but when she stands in front of him he's too shy to talk. She reaches into her pocket and pulls out a small puppet that looks like herself. "Hi," says the Bubbles puppet. The boy smiles and takes it from her hand, stroking its hair gently as they chat together for hours about everything under the sun.
Pretty great little video, and it's really easy to do inside of Camtasia, and I started with one of those Humatar green screen videos, and all I did was I just put a green background, and then I rendered it out, and I went into Camtasia Studio and used speech bubbles and some special jump cuts that I did with it. So click the link below, watch the training. It's all the way down at the bottom of that video. And if you haven't got Humatar, click the link above and grab your Humatar. It's definitely worth having, at least even if you want to do some of the just voiceovers. Really, really good quality voiceovers. Humatars, some of them are good and some are kind of iffy, but there is a special offer at the very end to get everything they have for one-time price. So watch the video, watch the training. I hope you enjoy the training, and you can use it on anything that you can put a green background on to make a two-camera look. So see you on the training. Bye-bye.